This hard time, so I don't talk and say I will never let anything waste. I know we ever let something waste, but I get this 2 plantain for us in 1 waste. I can't say what I want to do. To try and they pay me. You don't override, but to try and they pay me. I don't take a. Now I remember say this thing will let me do èmeike. It belong. Now I say wow, I go run now. I not go get a flower for us. That's okay. Make I feel leave am first. Not be so it be right before I can still leave am for that 4 days again, so it can't overripe. But anyway, it can still go. That's okay. I'll do it like that. I can't go rush, go African shop, can't go buy a flower. That's okay. Me I can run now. So now, so my people, I blend it in. As I blend that finish, turn her for plate. It don't take when be say I do this thing, so I can't forget the spices. Now I can't run. Come my mama say, mommy oh, wait here, I want to do this èmeike oh. I don't forget. Mama say okay, put salt, put mangi. I say no, he say not put mangi oh. He say put salt, put only pepper. Then you go they turn and they test them whether it's sweet. Now say okay. My people, now I run, carry my camera, carry everything, make the thing not quickly go waste. And my eye don't tell when I chop èmeike, like seriously. So now so I take do more. I come they test them, they add pepper again, they add salt again, they test them. So I they add water, put me they light. But my people, I don't know how light is supposed to be. But anyway, now so my lightness reach. That's why I think. So I can carry my pangolo when I don't save since. So say I want to do more. Now say it's time to use it to do èmeike since there is no paper. I rub oil, then put my èmeike inside. So people when don't know èmeike, I don't know what they call it for on side. I beg Mona tell me what they call this èmeike for on side. I want me na Benin woman. Na èmeike with the color. èmeike. I remember Nigeria. That's why they sell am. When they travel, go to buy this thing. Like this is so lekker. So after I don't cook and finish, now so it can't be. So for here I can't think say this èmeike is supposed to soft. So I supposed to add more water put. But my people, it's sweet. Only way I think say it dead thick, but next time I go add more water put. At least it belong. Rate me. I try now. This is my first time of making